For letter J, we've got kind of a simple slab serif with a squared off edge and a teardrop terminal at the top of our letter J. So I have my grid on again this week, monoline brush, and we're using kind of that mustardy yellow color. What I usually do for letter J is I'll come down about 4 of the 5 blocks with a straight line on both sides. And then I'll kind of turn my page and starting a little higher than the end of the letter or the end of the line I drew, I'll come around like that. And then you can connect that letter or that line to your arc shape, kind of smooth it out. And again, we can always go erase out any overshoot that we came up with. And then to square things off, I literally just take my eraser and square it off like that. For the top line, I would do something similar. I would draw my straight line and then come off of it and draw kind of an exaggerated teardrop as such. And then square off that edge again with your eraser and then drag and drop your color. My teardrop is a little smaller on this one than my original one, but that's one of those things you can edit to personal preference. My J is also more exaggerated down here than my original one. Like if I bring this one, let me duplicate it and make it bigger, which pixelates it, but you can see kind of the difference. So each week when I'm giving you these things, the littlest adjustments can create a lot of changes in the overall look. And that's one way you can customize all the different things that I'm showing you. So this one is even thicker. This one's a bit thinner. The teardrop is bigger. The curve of the J is different. So you can play with those to create all different variations of each serif style each week as well. So let's go ahead and take our final letter, whichever one you decide to go with, copy and paste it into your document. One more letter and we've got 2 full rows done. I know some of you are like, I need more than 1 a week, but part of this, I only have so many hours in a day, so getting 1 video a week, even though it's a short video, a lot goes into all the different elements. So bear with me. I know 1 per week is slow. I would have loved to done 26 days of it. I just can't fit it into my schedule, but we're getting there and we will eventually get to the end. Thank you so much for following along and I will see you next week for letter K.